Hoy! Ano ba yun? Wala na naman kuryente! Putol na kayo ng putol! Wala na naman kami kuryente!
Hello guys, this is me, Teacher Danny. And as you can see, walang kuryente dito sa San Fernando, La Union. But then, we can still connect to the internet.
Uy, sana all!
Using a Wi-Fi powered by a power bank. Paano natin nagawa yon? Tutok lang.
Hi, I'm Teacher Danny and welcome to my vlog.
Alright, so para ma-connect natin ang Wi-Fi sa power bank, kinakailangan na yung outlet niya or yung pagsasaksakan niya is may connect sa power source. Pero since walang ang kuryente ang ating AC sockets, paano natin siya i-connect sa DC? Okay, so kinakailangan natin ng port, and I found this port in the Shopee App Store, and I will be posting it in our description box below. And I hope this would help you during these emergency times. Paano natin kinabit? Here's how. Watch this. Problema mo ba ang Wi-Fi tuwing walang kuryente? Well, ayun, hindi na problema yan dahil meron na tayong instant cable for, and it is now powered by a power bank. Paano natin gagawin yan? All you have to do is to buy this connector, this USB port, and connect it here. Connect mo lang dito sa may likod na portion niya there. Now, instead na isasaksak mo siya through power outlet or through AC, saksak mo na lang using DC. And ang maganda dito, hindi siya makonsumo sa kuryente kasi it's been an hour since we use this Wi-Fi. And 87% pa rin siya. Kanina 88 yan. So, only 1 unit pa lang yung nagagamit ng ating power bank.
Meanwhile,
diba? After another 30 minutes of usage, naging 86 na siya. So, see, hindi siya masyadong ma-access sa ating kuryente. Alright? Oh, di ba? Napakadali lang. See, I hope this would help you during emergency times. And very affordable naman yung price ng ating cable and very helpful at the same time. So, again, don't forget to like this video, comment, and share this video to everyone. Bye-bye!
When you're feeling down on your luck, you're tired and stuck, enough is enough. You gotta pick yourself up, cause life gets hard. It might leave scars, could tear you apart.